Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and backups. This protects your files during an update. Plug your Lenovo into AC. Charge should be above 20%. Next, backup key documents to an external drive or cloud storage so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Settings, then choose Update and Security and click Windows Update. This gets you straight to checking for updates. It avoids delays and makes the process safe. Now, click Check for updates to fetch available packages. You'll see available updates listed. Click Download to begin. While Windows fetches system and security patches, open Lenovo Vantage to check for driver and BIOS updates. Drivers often fix hardware issues. If a BIOS update appears, read prompts carefully. Installing BIOS requires AC power and patience. Do not interrupt. Once downloads finish, choose Install. Windows may present Restart Now, Schedule a Time, or Pause options. Pick the one that avoids interrupting your work. This sequence ensures both OS and vendor drivers stay current. You complete the process by letting Windows run through restart cycles and post-update setup. Do not force shutdown during this phase. After reboot, open Device Manager to confirm no warning icons remain. Drivers may need reinstallation. If something goes wrong, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first. It fixes common download and install errors. If that fails, use System Restore to roll back to a restore point or reinstall the specific driver from Lenovo Vantage. One key tip: keep connection and power stable throughout to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.